What are the prerequisites for this FSM certification? If you can recall
Uh,
some.
sh- yeah, the prerequisites that help me, there are prerequisites provided in the ServiceNow blueprint as well, right? The prerequisite that helped me was a little knowledge on the tables of customer service management, how they link up, what are customers, what are accounts, how are they linking up, right? Just a basic knowledge. And if you know how to dive in, basically, let's say if you know ITSM already, so let's say you have seen the process of change management, right? So you have seen change requests get created, change tasks get created. The same way for field service, we have work orders. So everything that runs in FSM is through work orders, and you have
Okay.
work order tasks created. Then I told you about the parts. So for the parts, we have transfer order. So it's pretty simple. Just have a basic understanding of one of the modules and a little bit of CSM. You're good to go.
Okay. And any technical, prerequisite like you have to do this certification first, something like that when you applied?
I think it should be CSA. CSA should be a prerequisite. Apart from that, I don't think so.
Okay. If you are a CSA,
Yeah.
then you are able to like apply for this
Yeah, yes, FSM.
FSM
Yes.
certification.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, you are.
So how long was this class? So what is the structure? How?
So
Yeah.
I think I had a 2 day session. So
Okay.
I had a session with ServiceNow and they taught me, but I had to go ahead and do the entire Now Learning course. So
Okay.
anybody who wants to give FSM certificate, please go through the Now Learning course. There are like 4 units in them.
Okay.
So there's basically start with FSM fundamentals. You have dynamic schedule fundamentals, dynamic
Okay.
schedule implementation, and FSM implementation. These 4, once you're done, you're thorough. You're good to go. I think
Okay.
once you're done with this, you can just go ahead, attempt, and you'll clear it.
Okay. So these are mandatory.
Yeah, these are the mandatory courses. So the path you get a ServiceNow a certification path, right? So these are the
Right.
4 modules that are recommended or that are the mandatory ones.
Okay, so these 4 modules from Now Learning, and apart from that, you have to like attend the classes of 2 days, right?
Yeah, if you get the opportunity to attend the classes, go ahead, because there's a lot of basically a lot of training that you get from someone who's already an expert, right? And probably that is the best place to go to ask for questions, right? If
Okay.
you already have questions, just go ahead and ask them, because I face this issue because I prepared for the certificate after the classes. So there were
Okay.
certain things that I needed clarification on, and I had to reach out to people on LinkedIn, right? And not
Okay.
everyone is free to answer. So
Right.
I think if you are planning for FSM certificate, first do the entire course, have the questions handy, and just reach out to an expert.